Welcome on my channel Drawing by Aqsa. Hello kids. Kids, draw a sketch with me today. See, I am drawing a sketch today. See kid, what I am drawing? What is this? Look carefully what I am drawing and draw with me step by step kids. Wow, what I am making? Kids, can you make a sketch with me? Now pick up pencil and make a sketch with me step by step. Wow, this is a beautiful cartoon tractor. This is Dora's Benny. Before Benny. Today I am making a sketch of Benny. Before Benny. This is a cartoon tractor of Benny. Now coloring with me kids in Benny. Now pink color in ears and mouth of Benny. Before Benny. Now dark pink color in mouth. Now we can designing Benny's scarf. Now coloring in Benny's scarf. I am doing green color in Benny's scarf. Now dark brown color in Benny's foot and hand. Now blue color in belly of Benny. Dark blue color in belly of Benny. Before Benny. Dora's Benny. Now sky blue color in body of Benny. Now coloring with me kids in body of Benny. See how I am doing coloring in body of B for Benny. B for Benny. Dora's Benny. This is Dora's cartoon tractor. B for Benny. Now coloring with me kids step by step. See how I am doing coloring in B for Benny.